Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Lively Wallpaper running on startup on your Windows PC. So if you look to the lower right hand side of my computer, click this little arrow here, you will see a bunch of applications shown here. These are apps that are currently running here on my PC. And you can see Lively Wallpaper is one of them. I can go ahead and right click and I can quit this. Right, but that does not change the fact that whenever I restart my PC, it's going to show up again. So to do that, simply right click on the Windows icon here in the taskbar and you want to go to Task Manager. Right now, once you're inside the Task Manager, guys, you want to click and Startup Apps, and here it's going to show you all the list of apps that you have currently starting up on your PC. So just simply look through the list and you will see if you find the Lively Wallpaper showing up there. Right, so if you find a Lively Wallpaper in the list, which you'll most likely find it, expand or look towards the right and you will see if it is showing status enabled. Simply means that this application is starting up on your PC whenever you start up your computer or restart your PC. So all you have to do really is right click on it, guys, and choose disable, and that's going to disable it. Simply means that it will not start up once your computer starts or restarts. That's all that you have to do.